Most people are paying for software they no longer need. Project management tools, grammar checkers, scheduling apps, research platforms, writing assistants. The monthly subscriptions add up quietly until you look at your bank statement and realize you are spending hundreds of dollars every single month on tools that AI can now replace completely for free. Today I am showing you 5 free AI tools that replace over $500 per month in paid software. Every tool on this list is free to start. Every replacement saves real money starting today. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Replacement 1. Claude replaces your writing assistant. Most people paying for a premium writing assistant are spending between $20 and $50 per month for a tool that helps them write faster, overcome writer's block, and produce better quality content. Claude does all of this and significantly more for free. Claude writes complete first drafts of any document. It structures arguments logically. It adjusts tone for different audiences. It summarizes long documents in seconds. It generates ideas on demand. And it handles everything from casual emails to complex business reports with equal capability. The free tier of Claude handles a substantial daily workload. For most individuals and small business owners, it replaces their paid writing tool entirely with zero compromise in quality. Monthly saving, up to $50. Replacement 2. Notion AI replaces your project management suite. Premium project management and knowledge-based tools charge between $15 and $30 per user per month. For a small team or solo professional, that adds up to $180 to $360 per year. Notion is free for individuals and small teams. The free tier covers unlimited pages, databases, task lists, calendars, and collaborative documents. The AI add-on at $10 per month adds automatic summarization, action item extraction, and content generation directly inside your workspace. Even with the AI add-on included, Notion costs significantly less than most standalone project management platforms while delivering more organizational flexibility than almost any competitor. For freelancers, solopreneurs, and small teams, Notion replaces multiple paid tools simultaneously. Project tracking, client documentation, content calendars, meeting notes, personal knowledge base, all in one free platform, monthly saving up to $40. Replacement 3. Canva Free replaces your design software. Professional design software subscriptions cost between $20 and $55 per month. For anyone without formal design training, this is a significant expense for tools that require weeks of learning before producing anything useful. Canva Free handles the vast majority of design needs any content creator, marketer, or small business owner encounters. Social media graphics, presentation slides, document templates, YouTube thumbnails, email headers, print materials. The free tier includes thousands of templates, an extensive element library, and basic AI features including a background remover and a text-to-image generator. For anyone currently paying for design software they use primarily for basic marketing materials, Canva Free is a complete replacement that requires almost no learning curve. Monthly saving, up to $55. Replacement 4. ChatGPT Free replaces your research platform. Premium research and market intelligence platforms charge between $50 and $150 per month. These tools help professionals stay current, find relevant information quickly, and synthesize large amounts of data into actionable insights. ChatGPT with browsing enabled, available on the free tier, searches the web in real time and delivers structured research summaries on any topic in minutes. For most research tasks, a professional faces daily: competitor analysis, industry trends, customer insights, topic research, fact-checking. ChatGPT Free delivers results that match or exceed what dedicated research platforms provide. The key is learning to prompt effectively. A detailed, specific research brief produces significantly better output than a vague question. Ask ChatGPT to research a topic, identify the 5 most important trends, and summarize the key implications for your specific type of business. The quality of output will surprise you. Monthly saving, up to $150. Replacement 5. Buffer-free replaces your social media scheduling tool. Premium social media scheduling and analytics platforms charge between $15 and $80 per month, depending on the number of accounts and features required. Buffer-free allows you to connect up to 3 social media channels and schedule up to 10 posts per channel at any time. For most small businesses and content creators, this covers their complete scheduling needs. Combine Buffer-free with Claude for content creation, and you have a complete social media management system at zero cost. Claude writes all your captions, posts, and content calendars. Buffer schedules and publishes everything automatically. The paid tiers of premium scheduling tools add analytics dashboards and team features that most solo creators and small businesses genuinely do not need. The free Buffer tier plus Claude covers everything a single creator or small business owner requires. Monthly saving, up to $80. Your complete free AI stack. Claude Free replaces paid writing assistant, saves up to $50. Notion Free replaces project management suite, saves up to $40. Canva Free replaces design software, saves up to $55. ChatGPT Free replaces research platform, saves up to $150. Buffer Free replaces social media scheduler, saves up to $80. Total monthly saving, up to $375 per month. Total annual saving, up to $4,500 per year. From 5 completely free tools. Available to download and use today. Before canceling any existing subscription, test the free AI replacement for 2 weeks. In almost every case, the free tool handles your actual daily needs completely. The features you are paying for in premium plans are often features you rarely or never use. Cancel what you do not need. Invest what you save into the tools that genuinely move your business forward. Which of these 5 tools are you switching to today? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this saved you real money, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.